Hi guys, it's your girl Jason. Today we're back with another video, and today I am gonna be showing you guys my slimes that I haven't played with in weeks. Cause I have been doing a lot of things and really busy, so I haven't got to do them yet. I haven't got to play with them, and I think myself, this is my opinion, that I think that some of them are melted. So yeah, my bad. I probably looked at them, but I didn't play with them yet. I probably looked at them but didn't play with them. So yeah, the first one I see is this one. Is this big one? Is this big one? And I hope it's not melted. Like it looks like it's not, and it's like you don't know. I'm probably evil. Oh, I thought this was melted. It feels melted. It looks super melted, guys. Doesn't this look melted to you guys? And then it comes down like it's melted, right? Doesn't this look melted to you guys? Wait, doesn't this look melted? Right? So, it feels melted. It looks like it, and it feels like it, but then it's like it is, but then it isn't. Like, it's like a weird feeling slime. I guess because all the makeup product that I put into here probably like dissolved in a few. Like, see how sticky it is? And then it looks really melted, like, touching this. Like, once I first saw it, I was like, that looks definitely melted. Like, but it isn't. In reality, it isn't. And it's, like, super surprising. It got better over the days than what it actually was. When it was, it looks like a super glossy slime. You know the really watery slimes that people put on, that people do? That's what it looks like. So I'm about to show you guys. Look. So look. Like, doesn't it look super watery? But it isn't. Like, yeah. So that's weird. It's like, I don't know if I really want to carry this. Like, if I were to actually play with this, like, in my room, on my carpet, people pray for me. Pray for me. Oh my gosh. It's not melted, but it feels like it is. And it's like, I feel like that something bad's gonna happen. Like, guys, like, it's bad thundering right here. Like, it's literally lightning coming down, but you probably don't hear it. It's not thundering right now, but it's just lightning. You don't hear it raining, right? It's not raining, right? It's not raining at all. So I don't even know. Like, comment down below. Comment down below if you ever saw lightning, if you ever heard lightning and thunder without it raining. Like, and I haven't posted it in a long time because I haven't thought of anything to do. And this is my only idea that I thought of. So guys, so comment down below what videos you want me to make so I can keep on making it for you guys. Like, it's still slime between me. Let me just hope the next slime is really sticky so I can get this all off on me. Now it's just sticking to me, so like, okay, now I'm just gonna close this because now it's just like, okay, the second one I see is this blue one, and I don't want to touch it because I know it's melted. It's melted for days. It never is gonna come back, and I hope it does one day. Like, now it's not coming off. Okay, yep, this is definitely melted. I don't even want to touch it. It looks melted, but then it doesn't. Like, seriously looks like that. Do you ever get the feeling, if you have slime, do you ever get the feeling, oh, it's actually not melted? It kind of is, but not as much as it was last time when I touched it the last time. Last time I touched this was like a few weeks ago, so it was probably a month ago since I played with my slimes. Right? Crazy, right? Crazy, right? Okay. the next time that I saw, and I was hoping that it's gonna be sticky, but the only thing that I see is melting, so it's not sticky. I would say it's just melted, so. It's like a good slime. It's like, feels like it's like, tell me guys, does this look like it's melted to you guys? Like, tell me if it does, because whenever it drizzling down, it would look like it was still melted like it last time I touched it. But now it isn't. It's kind of really sticky. I don't have no activator left. I need to buy more activator. So yeah, I try my best to do videos every day, but it's just like, I don't have anything in my head. It's like, my dad tells me that we need to make money. Like, we need to make money now, and like, it's like, YouTube is my dream, you know. I want to be like these other kids on YouTube with like money, and these other kids on YouTube, and they're always making money, and they can afford things, and me, I'm just watching them because I wish I can afford these things, but without me doing YouTube and without anybody watching me, like if nobody watches me, then I can't make the money that I really want. So then I'm just gonna stop doing YouTube, and there's like no reason to do YouTube anymore if nobody's gonna look at me, but then watch me. So yeah, but I'm really hoping that somebody I have millions of subscribers. So, like whoever, like, can you like try your best to, whoever, like your friend, your cousin, whoever, can you please like just tell them like share my video with anybody, like anybody, like anybody. I will love to see them subscribe to my channel, because ooh, that was the closest one I ever saw. Let me tell you how right now this slime almost, like it was close enough to hitting the seats of this like leather. It's not really leather, but it's like kind of leather. It's like a couch, not like those couches where once you spill water on it, it's just like, okay, yeah, I can fix that, like, nice. Oh snap. Okay, yeah, that slime needs to be activated, but I don't have any activator, so let's just hope that doesn't really dissolve as much as it did just right now. I'm gonna use my favorite shirt of all. My favorite shirt. It says Fierce on it. Like, it's my favorite shirt, and look, I'm drying my hands with it, and I don't want to. But you know, life is hard decisions sometimes, so you want this, but you really want this, but you can't. It's like, you want this, but nah, I don't want the other one. No. It feels not sticky, but I would take back that, because it looks so not sticky. Once you just poke your hands in it, and like you poke one time fast, like just poke like this. It's not sticky, it does not stick, but when you like keep that on, like you're like nah, I don't want to pay for this slime anymore. Like, that's how I feel about this slime. So we need some activator for this. So I will eventually buy some activator when I get some money. I really need to make money for a lot. I need to make a lot of money right now. Like, I need to make money for a lot of things. And it's like, this looks like it's melted. I'm not really a big fan of the way this looks right now. Oh, okay. This was just like this other one, and I'm not gonna pick this up. I'm not gonna try to do this. Nope. Try again. I'm not trying it. I'm not trying it. It just got darker. So, yeah. But I'm not trying to do any. No, I'm not doing anything with the slime. I'm not touching it. I'm touching it, but I'm not gonna pick it up and be like, look, and then it really touched these seats, and then I'm gonna be grounded for the rest of my life. Okay, I'm gonna play with this one that I don't think I made that long ago. I don't think this was a really sticky slime, so it probably could have go by now. Let's just hope it didn't. Oh, yo, bro. It did. Like, it's kind of like slimy. It got that slimy feeling, but girl, it melted. Boy and girl, whoever's watching this, and whatever gender you are, this is melted. This is melted. I don't even know why I'm still poking it. Lucky I didn't take this out when I first. It's like slimy, but then melty. Like slimy, melty, slimy. Like whoever, like if you know this feeling, that's like slimy, but it's melty. It's like slimy, but it's melty. Now my shirt is all tied up. It's just like. Like first I was like, yep, that's melted. But then I was like, first I thought it wasn't melted. This was a really sticky slime. It wasn't that sticky, but it was sticky. So the ones that I'm about to touch right now is melted. Let's just hope it isn't. Let's just hope it isn't. Whoa, we hoped. Okay, this is a part of it that it's supposed to be in there. It's melted. They're all the same slime, so it's definitely melted. Does not feel like slime at all. It's not slime. Well, I think it kind of has the same feeling as the one that I just finished touching, and it's just. Lucky I brought my shirt with me, because if I did not bring that shirt with me, I would have been like dead. Okay. Like. It's hard to get to like 1 million subscribers. Like it's hard. Like to get to 1 million subscribers or like 5 million subscribers, that's hard. That's like this I know it's not melted because this is my friend. Me and her are friends. There's a really lot of foam beads in here. I should never did that. When I first made the slime, I put there were foam beads in it. Way too much. It's like I could name that bubblegum. Wait, is that like? I don't know what to name this slime. I think I had a name for it, but I forgot what the name was. Like I forgot the name, and I didn't even write it down on the list. That's horrible person right there. Oh, okay. This one, I like. This was the other one I just saw. Like I'm looking in my bag. I'm like, okay, I see that one first. I see this one first. I was like, I see this one. I see this one, then all of them. Like once I look at my bag, I was like, I see this one. We're gonna go with this one. It's really light. Like I don't know. Does like comment down below if my filter looks weird. Like. So I see this next one. I'm gonna go deeper and deeper to these slime collections. Like guys, tell me in the comments below, do you remember any of the names to these slimes, or do you remember seeing these slimes? Do you like comment down below if you did see the slimes, if you remember these slimes, and do you remember the name of them? Cause I put the names in the video before. I put the names in a video before. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. It's like it's like this versus this. This versus this. It's two things versus each other, right? See if you can find that video. And if you don't feel like watching it now, and you feel like watching it after, and if you do know, you're a person that watches my videos. This one, oh, I like this one so much. This is my baby. Hope it didn't. Like, look how much foam beads are on the side. I just want to cut that off and be like, ha ha. That's what you get. Is this melted? I hate these foam beads so much. Like, I just want to take this all out right now. I just want to take this all out, and I am. It's my first day I ever get to do this. Huh. This much foam beads. And a bunch of slime is attached to this. But like, you know, I need to get rid of the foam beads. This much foam beads? No. I want this to just be a basic slime. This one didn't melt. I can actually hold it in my hand without it dropping and falling. I think this is the first one I can hold without it melting and falling down. Like, this would drizzle. What I think this thing, I really want to make a cloud slime, but I don't have the ingredients to, so yeah. This video is probably gonna be like 20 or like 20 something minutes long. Look how nice. This feels so nice. Like, it smells so nice too. Like, I hope I'm in like I want to get famous, so then I could be like, become the famous, like I can make my own slime shop, become the famous person in the whole entire world. Like, this right here is amazing. Like, if I had people looking at me and watching my videos, and I was able to be like in this slime event thing that a bunch of slime people, a bunch of famous slime makers, a bunch of famous slime shop makers go to and make millions of slimes, if I was to go there, I would have made this slime for everybody. I would have made this slime. I would have made any slime. Like, once, I wish I'm going to be famous. Like, I feel like this one kind of melted, and that's good because the foam beads.
Princess, I'm going to go take a shower, okay?
Okay. So then, these foam beads feel good. Now the foam beads feel good in the slime. Better than what it used to. It made the slime really hard, and I like the slime now than I did last time. So I hope this one doesn't melt. Like, I hope none of my slime melted, but then look, that happened. So let's just hope that it doesn't melt next time I look at it. Yeah. Next time I feel so. Like, comment down below, guys, if you want me to make I'm gonna make like this a slime satisfying thing, like a satisfying slime popper thing, like, you want me to make like an ASMR. Like, this is probably, I feel bad for like headphone users right now. Like, do they hear this? Tell me if you're using headphones and you hear this nonsense right here. Tell me so I can fix the way I act on my videos. Oh no. This is another one of the slimes that I'm trying to fill it. Just check. It already looks melted. I'm not even gonna try. Well, I'm gonna try. Yep, melted. Melted than ever. I think this is more melted than all the other slimes. Then the slimes that are close to this one, like they are like brothers and sisters. I think this one's more melted. Like, seriously. I gotta go. Something's so far away. Sorry guys, my phones are. I gotta fix this bag. Okay. Oh, this is my buddy slime. I think my brother made this slime. Like, I think my brother fixed this slime, or I did. I don't remember. This feels good. Oh, it feels good. Does anybody remember where this slime's from? The one that was pink, nice and dark, like a like latte color, and it had like these things in it. You remember? Like, a lot of these slimes changed, and a lot of these slimes I didn't have in my videos. Some of them I think I had in my videos, but the white ones that I just made, I don't think I had in my videos, and I don't even have names for them yet. So, yeah. Yeah, this video is going to probably be like 20 something, really, like, minutes long. Like, it's hot out here, it's hot outside, and I want to go inside, but I can't because I can't mess my phone inside. at this. It's scary being outside, like, all alone. But I got you guys, okay? I think this was the one that was nice and with the nice things in it. This reminds me of a nice jiggly slime. Like, really. Like, I'm gonna give you guys some nice pokes. It's a really glossy slime. I'm gonna do one more bubble for you guys. Cause you know, guys, I would do anything it takes for my people to like tell me, guys, that is like satisfying because I just need to hear that. Hi, my puppy's at the door. He sees me now. He's barking. Please tell me if you hear. Well, my brother just saw me. As you can see, he was in the background. Wasn't I just playing with the slime? I think I was just playing with the slime and I did not put it back. Yes, I was, and I did not put it back. I don't know, I just felt a sting in my finger right now. I'm just trying to hurry this up so I can go inside and just like take a nice shower. So I can feel better. Okay, this slime's melted. This slime's already melted. I know this slime isn't. No, it isn't. I just want to hurry this up, guys. So that slime, those slimes you already saw. Okay, guys, that's the end of my video. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to do. Today's I think is gonna be my first day trying to edit. I'm gonna try to edit my best for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna try my best to edit, and yeah, guys. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you hit that bell button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button. And if you're not new to my channel and you did not click the subscribe button, make sure you go do that. My dog right now is barking. I don't know why. So yeah, guys. Yeah, and yeah, but like make sure like I said, make sure you share this video with people so they can see it and like my videos and subscribe. So yeah, guys, I see you all guys later. So yeah, I might post tomorrow. So yeah, bye guys.